Wala na. Ay! Ay! Ayun.
Shepherd.
Wala na. Oh, gusto cross over here eh. Ah! Wala na bro, retarded na ako.
Keep playing every day. When I get it back.
If my wrist is fixed bro, it's okay. But ah! Even if I can pass the balls, gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one is my dominant to pass eh.
Oh.
Because you know, show it far away. Yeah. My friend told me, pass the ball. Ah. Hindi ko na kaya yung dream kasi I have injured din dito.
Right
Injured
leg?
din.
What happened? Nangyari? Are you...
The kid jumped to me and I stepped his foot
Ah.
and like this bro.
Are you...
I got injured senior high school. Yeah. But I didn't tell my mom. But my walk is like this. Yeah.
You don't need to try like that.
It's
You
a
already know when you go to school and you have injury.
Oh. It's kind of hard bro eh. Ah! Wala na. Started. Try this one go. This one. Like Kyrie. Ah, puto na kasi.
Just a
This
win.
one I used to practice before. One. Tapos sa kabilang naman, alternate shot. Alternate. I used to practice every
Right and left hand?
Yeah. One. Tapos two. Oh. Gago. This one is my like, it's not really perfect this one, but I can shoot like. Yan. Every day like that bro. Try it, try it. Shit. No, the thing, like this, if you fix it, you got only like that.
If you want to twist the ball.
Yeah. Yeah, only like that bro. Fingertip lang. O, di ba? Just look this bro. Dito. Ito, tignan mo ito.
Are you trying to hit the side of the...
Yeah, like that always. It's different if you lay up. Different kinds of lay up there eh. Sometimes if you hit here, upper, just, slowly only. Like this one. Yeah, like that. Slow only. Different. Try it. You know, use your thing, use your body. Yan. Just hit in the thing, the board. Yan. You got it bro, like that.
Shit, that's not like beautiful.
Yan, like that. So after that, if you learn that one, you like this bro. Always think about 2 steps so you can get the thing. So 1, 2. Yan. You can remember it. Try it. 1, 2. Oh, diba? You got it already bro. You always practice the first dominant hand. If you can practice in the other hand, this one first.
This one?
Yeah, because give me. You can still shoot here. You can still shoot in the other hand if you're already. Diba? You can practice na pag ganun. Yan.
So do you like,
So,
if you miss, you keep shooting with the right or you shoot with the left?
depends on you. Depends how you think. If you want ball, you grab the ball because your arm is very weak like this. If you're gonna penetrate like 1, 2, you're gonna think, hold the ball like this, so no one's gonna touch it. And if you release it, yeah, like this.
About block?
No, that's like a, you know, like a soft touch. Soft, only soft. Like soft like ano lang. Yeah, it's like you're holding only, but it's hard. Like you touch it, like you will try to steal it. No, tap it. No one's gonna tap it, right? So if you it's a clip. There's a clip, bro. So if you will one, two, like that, so you can grab the ball, right? Man. So someone's not gonna grab the ball, but you can like this too. The thing, not only like this. If you're hard, if you not comfortable to hold like this, hold like this.
That's what I did earlier tonight.
So if you think, so someone's gonna touch it, no one's gonna touch it. Like, what? Smooth, huh? Oh shit! What the hell? Ah, shit. Yun na yung pag nag-practice ka. Tapos meron pa yung bro, like this. Maraming layup na klase. I learned before.
Yeah, you do, so you do fillet?
What play?
Fillet.
What play?
How about jelly?
Jelly, I can't do jelly. This one is my
It's hard to do
dominant.
jelly, eh?
I can do before, but now I'm injured, so if I do jelly.
How
There's a
about fillet?
play.
Just fillet.
Yeah. Like this. Like that. What kind of fillet?
I don't know, I forgot.
Ah,
I
you know
remember, I
that.
remember the jelly, but there's a fillet.
I can do the kind of hard to say. Too good.
You have to jump first, then you have to jump first.
Ah, that's the jelly. The jelly one is like this. And
Then
the
you
one
go
you're
up
telling,
and then-
the one you're telling is like this, sorry. Like that.
Yeah, that would be fillet, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. I can do that one. But the other thing is that this one. If you cross over like this, 2, 1, 2. Like, yeah, you're gonna hold the ball under so they can touch it. Yeah. Kyrie's doing that one. Eh. You're just messing around. Yes. Yan. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, bro. That's the one.
I used to watch a lot of Steph Curry because I really like his floater.
Yeah.
When he just does this,
Yeah.
and it goes like really high, and then it goes in. Like, how did he do that shit? I don't know. I can't do
So
it.
you want to pass break, bro? Try, pass
Fast
break.
break? Oh,
Yeah, I know. You just run down. I'm gonna throw you the ball. Ay, gago. The fuck?
That was too hard.
There's a wind, bro. Sorry. Can you see it? Bro, I can just leave this one here. Yeah, just gonna look out here, bro. No one's here, eh? So What's your dominant hand? Is right side, no? Right? Left? Right. So, you can lay up in left side.
It's been a while.
Like this one, no? Kasi you told me your dominant is right, right? But you can lay up here. Yeah. You can lay up like that. So you can run here. So I can throw you properly. Gago. Layo bro, sorry, sabay. Sorry. Nakakamiss na kasi mag-pass break bro eh.
Oh, come over here. So I can run down.
Wait. So if I catch it. Dito dapat. You can run there. Okay. Hindi masyado advance. Wala na bro. I can throw the ball properly but I can throw it. No. Kahit ako hindi na ako mag-pass break. Pero pag binutok siya.
It's like
Then I think kasi there's wind. The ball is flying. So if I throw it like this, straight, it's gonna. Tama?
No, the indoor course is no windy.
Yeah, that's why you can throw the ball properly. And even the poster, I can teach you poster too.
Post?
Yeah. Like this, if you can post like this. Ito kasi dominant ko eh. Lapit ka sa akin. Like, syempre, di ba? You're gonna harass me. Like this. So, hinaharas mo na ako, you're getting the ball. So, I just rather go this. Like that. So, pag nilapitan ito, yan.
It's already fouling.
Yeah. But if you want to fake it, diba, nag-poster ka, yung lalapit ka. So, syempre, yan. Pero, minsan, hindi ka lang, hindi ka na guard me. Like this, hold the ball. Like this. I'm gonna guard you. Just gonna hold this one. Wala akong lakas. And no power to guard. But if you're gonna guard someone, hold the ball. Yeah, you're holding the ball, no? And for example, you're in my situation, so I'm gonna guard you. This is you, so I'm gonna go back like this. If you want to trick someone, just hold it here. So your power is not gonna thing. It's gonna be slow, no? What I do? It's gonna hurt now. I'm just showing you the trick, bro. How you shoot the ball. Oh shit, bro. I'm just teaching you. What the fuck?
Okay.
No. It's so much better to use the poster time.
Good. It's very big.
It's like me.
Same size?
Yeah, but good in poster. But the body's like this.
Oh, same.
Yeah, so we can poster me. It's gonna guard. Hey! Sabi ko, I can do floater na, bro. Sakit. Sakit.
I'm sorry.
Yes, okay. Hindi kasi tinry ko lang siya kung kaya ito. Kasi I used that before eh. If I pick, so let's go here. Pick, up. Tapos, lay up. Did that before. But now I can do here. I can't.
So dominant your.
But if I lay up, like speed, I can shoot the ball. But if I'm standing, it's kind of hard. Kasi I need to control the thing eh. I'm gonna stop the video kasi malaki na ata to.
How many gigs you have left?
120.
20 pa.